What's up, you guys? Welcome back to my channel. So in today's video I'm going to talk about like some of my favorite lip liners. These are like all nude, these are brown lip liners which I absolutely love. It just, you if you haven't if you have not tried lip liners, you should. Like, it just makes a lot of difference. So I'm going to talk about my top 5 lip liners in this video. And yeah, these are super affordable. Like, बहुत ही सस्ते हैं, बहुत ही अफोर्डेबल हैं और बहुत ही गुड क्वालिटी हैं. पूरे दिन लिप्स पे लास्ट करते हैं, तो बहुत ही अच्छे हैं. लाइक, मुझे तो बहुत अच्छे लगे. एंड सो या, विदाउट फर्दर अडू, लेट्स गेट स्टार्टेड. So first is this one. This is Coffee Brown by Miss Claire, and these are really affordable and I have hauled them a couple of days back. मैंने कब से खरीद रखे थे, कुछ यूज़ भी किए हैं, कुछ यूज़ भी नहीं किए हैं. So yeah, I'm just going to swatch on my hands and on my lips as well. So this is the first shade. This is Coffee Brown, and you can see how pigmented these are. So yeah, that's the first one. And so this is Coffee Brown, और बहुत ही अच्छा कॉफी शेड है, and it's a very pretty shade. So next is this one. This is the shade Mocha, and you can see it's a pretty brown. And yeah, this one is like brown with a little bit of red, and this is pure brown. Like, it's a pure brown one. So I'm going to swatch. So yeah, this is Mocha. It's a very true brown color. एंड मैं इसे ऐसे तो यूज़ नहीं करूँगी, मैं इसे डेफिनेटली किसी लिपस्टिक के साथ ही यूज़ करूँगी. इट्स अ वेरी ट्रू ब्राउन कलर. Okay, next one is again by Miss Claire. So yeah, so this one is the shade Bobby Brown, and I'm going to swatch this. You can see these are so pigmented. And yeah, this is the shade Bobby Brown, and my lips are like literally burning. So yeah, this is the shade Bobby Brown. And yeah, so there is a visible difference. Like, this is a true coffee color, this is a true brown color, and this Bobby Brown one has a little bit of red in it, and it is fit. Okay, now the next are Swiss Beauty. So this is the Swiss Beauty Bold Matte Lip Liner, and this shade is Cherry Brown. So I'm going to swatch this. This is a pretty cherry brown, you can see. So yeah, I'm going to swatch this, and these are definitely matte. So you can't expect कि lipstick जैसे work करेंगे. So to show you guys the color, I'm just applying these as lipstick. पर्पस ही इनका वही होता है. These are pretty matte, ताकि लिपस्टिक लॉन्ग वेयरिंग रहे. So yeah, this is the shade Cherry Brown, and it's very pretty cherry kind of brown as the name suggests. इसमें काफ़ी ज़्यादा रेड है, बहुत प्यारा लग रहा है. एंड या, ये वाले बहुत मैट हैं. सो डेफिनेटली इनसे लिपस्टिक जो है ज़्यादा लॉन्ग वेयरिंग रहेगी. Okay, last one is this Choco Nude by Swiss Beauty, and मैं सबसे ज़्यादा इसको यूज़ कर रही हूँ डेली बेसिस पे बिकॉज इट्स अ वेरी प्रिटी एज यू कैन सी. First of all, this is a little bit creamier, and yeah, this is Choco Nude, my favorite. एंड इनको आप लिपस्टिक की तरह भी यूज़ कर सकते हो ये वाला, बट दैट मीन्स कि ये लिपस्टिक को उतना लॉन्ग वेयरिंग नहीं बनाएगा. वैसा वेरी प्रिटी शेड. सो फॉर्मूला वाइज दे आर डिफरेंस, ऐसा नहीं है कि सिर्फ पैकेजिंग डिफरेंस है. दैट वन आर रियली मैट, द मैट रेंज. So yeah, this is my favorite Choco Nude. So yeah, this is the one which I'm constantly using, and yeah, there is a difference, like you can see इसको मैंने कितना यूज़ किया है. So yeah, that's pretty much it for this video. I hope you like this video. If you want my take on the formula, this Choco Nude one by Swiss Beauty. So इनका फॉर्मूला उतना भी स्टिफ नहीं है. यू कैन यूज़ दीज एज लिपस्टिक, बट दैट मीन्स कि ये इतना भी लॉन्ग वेरिएंट नहीं बनाएगा आपकी लिपस्टिक को. एंड दिस वन इज़ द मैटेस्ट. ये वाला बहुत मैट है, फॉर्मूला इसका बहुत ही ज़्यादा हार्ड है. सो दैट मीन्स कि लिपस्टिक को लॉन्ग वेरिएंट बनाने के लिए ये बहुत अच्छा है. एंड दीज आर लाइक नॉट टू मैट एंड नॉट टू creamy or soft or something like that. It's in between, so yeah, it's also nice. But on and all, ये बहुत ही affordable है. I will mention the price, which is yeah 65 rupees for this, and I have to check what are the price of Swiss Beauty one, but these are really affordable. And yeah, 49 rupees only. So yeah, these are pretty damn affordable and good quality lip liner. Yeah, I just love them. So yeah, that's pretty much it for this video. I hope you like this video. If you do, please do not forget to like, share, subscribe, and I shall see you in my next one. Bye.